Yes.
We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a faucet for a homeowner. This is a warranty replacement. And so the faucet, you can see the L4621. That's the older model. Can't remember that one. They don't make that anymore. So they've upgraded to that. They're similar. But anyway, so that's what we got. L4621 Chateau in chrome. And of course, it comes with a new drain assembly. There was nothing wrong with the drain, but since it came with one, replaced that as well. Faucet. Now it's functional, hot and cold. And of course, down below, previously we just put in some new shutoff valves, quarter turn on, quarter turn off. Those are brass craft, and then some 3/8 by half by 20 inch braided stainless steel connectors, hot and cold. So you're essentially rebuilt underneath here. Faucet, new water lines. The only thing remaining is this trap assembly and the arm going into the wall. That's existing. But anyways, outside of that, this installation is done.